In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got 1000 subscribers on this channel in just 4 days using a new strategy you haven't heard about. I know you're probably wondering, how did I got to know about this trick? Let me explain. A few months ago, I was currently having less than 1000 subscribers on my channel and I was doom scrolling on my YouTube homepage, and that was when I found this channel, Vivi's series. She was using this particular method to gain thousands of subscribers every single day. So her channel is currently at 12,000 subscribers, but when I found her channel, she was having just 10,000 subscribers. I found her channel through a video that she was explaining how she made up to $800 from her channel. After studying her channel, I was able to apply this strategy to my own channel and I was able to get 1,503 subscribers on my channel in just 4 days. So now the channel is currently at 2,101 subscribers. So today I'm going to show you step by step how to apply this particular method on your own channel to gain 1,000 subscribers within 4 days or even less than 4 days. Also, kindly stay to the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you the things you need to avoid while using this strategy to get your 1,000 subscribers. The first step is for you to download the YouTube app. After downloading the latest version of the YouTube app, kindly open it and create a new YouTube channel, or use an existing YouTube channel that you are not actively using, but you need to clear the watch history of that channel. Let me show you how to do that. First, tap on the settings icon by the top right corner. After that, tap on manage all history. Now, after tapping on manage all history, you're going to wait for a little while for it to load. Then you're going to see a button, delete button, that shows blue. Now you want to tap on that delete button and then you're going to select delete all time. Now once you tap on delete all time, it's going to instantly delete all of your watch history. That is why I said always make sure to use a new YouTube channel or an existing channel which you are not currently using. Now after deleting the watch history of the channel, kindly go back to the home page and refresh it. Now if you noticed, our home page is no longer recommending any video to us. So the next step is for you to train the algorithm to recommend the videos we are going to be using to get our 1000 subscribers. So kindly tap the search bar above and search for the keyword Vivi's series. So what you want to do is visit the channel. You can subscribe because she also makes content on YouTube Growth. So you can check her videos or just go to the short page and select her most popular videos. Now you want to go to the people that she is actually collaborating with. These are the videos you want to make use of. As you can see, most of our videos are pulling in thousands of views. The first video has 300,000 views, second video has 400,000, and the third one has 200,000. So I'm going to choose the first one. Now what you want to do next is visit the original video, that is the original uploader of the video. You want to visit the original video. Now tap the plus icon. The plus icon is the last one, the last button there. Tap on it. After doing that, you're going to see the collab button there. Tap on collab. So you want to collab with this video. You can either reveal your face or just record any object around you and your video is going to go viral. So the next steps I'm going to show you is the right settings you need so that each video can give you around 200 to 500 subscribers on every upload. So after giving access to your camera, you're going to be asked to give access to your mic too. And when you do that, you're going to tap the red button and you're going to start recording till it gets to the ending. After that, you save the recording and you're going to tap on next so that you can post the video. Now the mistake I see a lot of people making is that they just post the video without properly setting up the video, and that is why they don't have views and they start complaining that this method does not work. So first you want to select your audience. Select no, this is not for kids. Now you want to scroll down and select paid promotion. Now you want to select that this is not a paid promotion. No. Now you want to go back again and tap on altered content and select no, this is not an altered content, because you are using your face or you are using a video that has a human being's face in it. So you selecting all these options is going to make YouTube recommend your videos. Now you can either use the caption from the collaboration video or you post the video like that. In my case, I will post it like that. Most of my collab I'm doing, I post it like that, and they usually get views. If you look at this video I just posted recently, it already has 200 plus views, and I didn't use any tag on it to show you that this particular method is currently working. I just posted it few hours ago. I just posted it around 6 hours ago, and this video already has views. So if I give it like 24 hours, it's going to get a lot of views. Once you wait 24 to 48 hours, you're going to start seeing massive amount of views, and those views are going to give you your subscribers. So I usually advise people to upload at least 2 to 3 times a day. Maximum, just make it 4 times a day, so that your accounts can be able to reach a wider audience and gain a lot of impression within a short period of time. And trust me when I tell you, within 4 days, as long as you're using the correct video, the right video, and you're reacting to it properly, you're going to get your 1000 subscribers in just 4 days. And I haven't forgotten, the mistake I see a lot of people making is that they react to these videos and they just leave the video like that without checking what is working and what is not working. Sometimes you might check a video, you might see why it performs well. When you check that shot, you can go to the analytics and see why the video does not perform well. You see where viewers are dropping off in that video. So if you post the first shot and you see it has, you just need to wait for like 5 hours and check where the audience retention drops at. So at that particular place, you need to do a different thing in your next short reaction video. That will be all for today, guys. If this video was helpful or if it was valuable, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.